Y'all tell me what that is. Gotta find the right position. Oh, you saw it. Come on. The reflection, you can't see it now, but you did see it at first. Yes. There. There you can see it. And we've got a jet working up here. Looks like a dragon at first. The first time. Anyway, there was that. See how that sun reflects? See? Yeah. Uh-huh. Pretty cool beans, you guys. Yeah, sun. Not gonna get that again. Alrighty, love you.